This is how to set up units in SketchUp. First of all, we can make any shape of the 3D object in here. For example, I make the rectangle and I clear this line and click the surfaces and select push pull in here to make the three-dimensional object in here, and triple click, right click, and also group to make it group. And then now we can select the window and select the model info and select the units in here. Okay, now we can select the units and we can select the engineering or decimal or a fractional. So I suggest you or architectural in here. And anyway, I usually use this decimal in here, and I usually this millimeter in here. And now we can set up about the precision, about the how much zero behind the comma in here. So we can set up in here, and this is for the length, and this is for the area. We can set up for meter, centimeter, millimeters, or yards, or feet, or inches in here. And volume, we can set up liter, meters, centimeters, millimeter, gallons, yards, feet, inches, cubic in here. And now I usually uncheck this one in here to make us simple in here, and just close this one. Then now we can select the dimension with this one. We can select the dimension tool, okay, and click from the point to the point in here. So it should be like this. We can make the a lot of dimension based on the object in here, and we can also add the vertical one in here. Sorry, we can make the vertical and until the position in here. Okay, and now we can select all the dimension in here. We can select the window and model info in here, and maybe we can display precision. We can select the option with the 2 decimal in here, or we can change the meters in here, and it will be automatically, and or we can just make it simple or just single number in here. But I suggest to make this one, okay, just like this. This is for the precision in here, and okay, just like this. This is about the dimension tools in here.